Hey there, visa seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the nitty-gritty of immigration processes to make your journey smoother. Today, we're tackling episode 158, How to Check Your National Visa Center Case Status for 2025. If you're anxiously waiting for updates on your visa application, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the National Visa Center? It's a key part of the U.S. Department of State's process for handling immigrant visa applications after they've been approved by USCIS. Checking your case status helps you stay informed and reduces that nail-biting uncertainty. Step 1. Head to the official website. Go to travel.state.gov and navigate to the National Visa Center section. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to avoid scams. Always double-check the URL. Step 2. Create or log into your account. If you haven't already, you'll need to set one up using your email and a secure password. This is where you'll enter your case details. Step 3. Enter your receipt number or case number. This is usually found on your approval notice from USCIS. Once entered, hit submit, and voila, you'll see your current status. Now, interpreting the status, it might say, in process, ready, or documentarily qualified. If it's in process, your case is under review. Ready means it's awaiting an interview. Keep an eye out for emails or updates from NVC. A quick tip for 2025. With potential changes in immigration policies, always verify the latest information on the official site. And remember, processing times can vary, so patience is key. That's it for today's guide. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more visa tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next episode. Safe travels.